Good morning, everyone. I wasn't lucky enough to catch the hummers on the red flower yesterday, even though I recorded video of the flower for a while. Too bad. I am headed out shopping today, normal Tuesday stuff. And then Johnny's getting together with friends in Raleigh. So I'm going to come home, grab him, and head back out. It'll be a little bit of extra driving, a little bit extra busy today. There is a chance of some showers this afternoon, some heavy showers, but it won't be widespread. Hit or miss kind of, summer stuff. But hopefully they're a little worried that the affected areas from the flood will get more rain. I hope not. They don't need it. They need the water to recede. Good morning, Gray. Hi. Hello. Here you go. Hi. Come here, Bubble. Come here, Bubble. Come on. Come back. Oh. Hi. That's a good girl. I know you're loving the summer with Johnny home. Having people in with you all day, most days. Yeah. Good purring. Good girl. Alright. Last but not least. Hi, Morris. Good morning. That's a very big stretch. Come here, bud. Come here. Hi. Hi, bud. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, boys. They ate pretty good in the house. Marty. Bossy Marty. We love him, but he is bossy. Goodness, somebody had him a little fun with the bricks last night. Come on, Mr. Raccoon. Don't do that to me. I can hurt my hands on him in the morning if I'm not careful, so I would really rather that they not do that. Camp in full swing this morning. We are out here walking because it's Tuesday. We just don't have a lot of time, but we'll make a pass. Do the trash, do pogo. Get a few minutes of sunshine. Well, the yellow canna lilies there are looking good. And my area is looking better, I think, after I got rid of all of the brown leaves. I got out of here pretty quick today, so I won't be late unless there's something extra, a traffic jam today. So Don was going to go to the landfill this afternoon after work, but he's decided to go now and get his chore that he needs to do today done. So I think that's a good move because it's supposed to be 98 this afternoon, and probably that means 95 at the house, but still going out to the landfill on a hotter in the day time is probably not optimal. Well, it's 10:45 and 88 degrees already according to Ruby out here on the turnpike, so it's hot early, quite early actually. There's a red Y in the other direction. I saw quicksilver juniper and a blue juniper so far today. I'm done with my pulse session. I am having extra pain on my left shoulder blade and clavicle area today. Sometimes it's on the front side and sometimes it's on the back side, and all I can think is that it's related to the, surgery I had for the breast cancer. I don't really know for sure though. Arthritis in my neck presenting down in my shoulder blade. I don't know. Janice treated my lower back and then she treated my shoulder blade too, but probably was maybe not enough time. But we'll see. If I turn my head to the left today, it hurts. Worse than it just hurts just not doing anything. Yeah, I've caught a bad break. I've been waiting I don't know exactly how long, but somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes. It's moved backward and forth a few times. And like I said, I've just caught a bad break. Something's wrong. There was a guy on the outside, and I see someone over here also. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. He was riding on the side of the engine a while ago. I got this really nice clay pot for $4. I got, yeah, it would be nice if I showed you the pattern. Salad, dinner, and the things. Everything was, the plates were $1.89. These were $99, and the lunch plates were $89. So it was reasonable, was good. And then a large 4th of July flag. Somebody, I guess, 4th of July is over. Let's get rid of the flag, baby. All right, here we go. I'm ready to be back inside where the air conditioning is. Well, I did get home with the groceries and got everything unloaded and had a few minutes to have a cold coffee and sit down. Johnny and I are back in Ruby now, headed up to North Hills. It's basically across the street from the original Raleigh supercharger. Dawn did make sure we charged Ruby last night. You know, we're quite lackadaisical now about charging her because I'm just not putting on that many miles. But knowing that I was going up to Cary and home and then up to Raleigh and home, you know, we made sure I had a, I guess it was a 90% charge, might have been 80%. So, probably come back out in Robot later to pick Johnny up. Well, I got Johnny dropped off. I've turned around. It's 46 minutes back to the house. That's about normal. So maybe I will beat, it's 4:20. Maybe I will beat most of the rush hour traffic getting back to the house. Well, there's where the training control room is for the nuclear power plant. The actual power plant and control room are a couple miles west. Because it's so crowded out there, the traffic this time of day to get back down into Fuquay, Ruby routed me, I'm gonna guess 6 or 8 extra miles, but out here in the middle of nowhere where there's no holdups. And I would certainly rather be moving than sitting. And also this was faster than sitting. So that's, whoa, he might have wanted to go a little slower around that corner, goodness. Anyway, I'm making about the time I thought I would be making. I guess I've lost 5 minutes. It was 5:06 and now it's 5:11, but I'm moving and not stuck in traffic, so it's all good. Well, I sure do like the red light going around the inside of the car. Even if we are out here in this massive Beltline construction zone, going to pick up Johnny.
Yeah. Well, I'm just as happy that she went around that guy. She was tried to go that around her earlier, right when the road, the left lane was closing, and she was trying to go, and I had to disengage. I mean, as I just told Marianne, I'm sure she would have handled it just fine. She'd have went over there, realized that the lane was going to end very shortly, and then probably had to brake and then get back over. So I just saved her from having to do all that by taking control.
Wow, the 440 Beltline is just a mess over here.
Yeah.